Hi folks, Jamie from campkins.com. Glad you're here to see probably the trailer that we've been selling this trailer now for at least 7 years. It's their most popular trailer, folks. This is the Grey Wolf 26 DBH. What a great family floor plan. A lot of people buy this trailer. This is their most popular floor plan. You've got your power tongue jack, you've got your dual propane tanks. You've got storage underneath the bed. You've got two entrances. So you've got an entrance in the back which goes to the washroom, then an entrance to the living area in the front. You've got an outdoor kitchen here with a fridge, ice maker, pull-out grill, which is really great. You've got a spot here to put the TV. You've got an awning, full size, to cover you if you're cooking out there in the rain. It's got a rack on the back. It's got a backup camera. Grey Wolf, feature driven, so many great things. And all of this in under 6,100 pounds. Think that's great on the outside. Let's go inside and have a look. All right, so I'm standing inside Grey Wolf's most popular model, the Grey Wolf 26 DBH. This is a 2023 model. What can I say? You got a skylight, you've got a subwoofer in the sound system. Here at the front, you've got a spot here where your TV goes, and then you've got your fireplace with a cutout for shoes underneath it. You've got a jackknife sofa. You've got a humongous u-dinette, which we wanted to show you in the bed form this time. So see, when we say it turns into a huge bed, we're not kidding. This is a huge bed. It's got drawers underneath that extend all the way out. Then this is your bunk area here. So you've got your double over double bunks, windows in both bunks. It's got a ladder. It's got cutout storage underneath and then access from the outside to the rest of the storage. Check out your washroom with that second door. You've got a great shower with a full shower surround, full-size vent fan, lots of room around the toilet, great vanity as well, just a great washroom layout. And you say, well, if I'm going to bring a whole family, where am I going to put all the food? I got an answer for you. In a full-size pantry. Check that out. That pantry, you'll be able to get all of those Rice Krispies in there along with the marshmallows for the s'mores, which is really great. Plus, all the stuff you need to put in the fridge. 11 cubic foot fridge, which is 12 volt. And right now, you can see that the battery is on. And it's fully charged. And the reason why is the solar panel, which is 100 watts on the roof, charges the battery. So that way you don't pick it up with a dead battery. When you are storing it, you can turn that switch off so that nothing's drawing from the battery, keeps your battery fresh with those solar panels. You can see here, you got lots of countertop space, undermount farmhouse sink, pull-out sprayer faucet, nice window by the kitchen area. Look how bright it is in here. And I don't have, this trailer's not plugged in, there's no lights on. So you can see here, you've just got tons and tons of space. Check out the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, you've got a full walk-around bed. You've got outlets on both sides of the bed. You've got lots of storage all around the bed. And then it is farmhouse doors, so those pocket doors will just close, turn into a full separate room. Just over 6,000 pounds. Around 30 feet. Sleeps everybody. Got an outdoor kitchen. Lots of fun and memories to be made. All for the low price of $39,995. That's right, we've got one left. It's on clearance. Usually this trailer is more like 45 grand. We've got this one on clearance. If you want a great deal for a great trailer to get out for the rest of the 2024 camping season, come on out and see us. And I say, hey, I want to look at that 2023 Grey Wolf 26 DBH because it's a great trailer and it has been for many years. So come check us out at Campkins. We are in Myrtle, Ontario. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. Come on out. Help us help you make your RV dreams come true.